Hi. So I am now unrolling a giant tube of prints, and I'm about to make a small basic mural on the Bruno David gallery wall that I think that they organized with the Pulitzer Foundation. And yeah, it's my first day in St. Louis, and I'm working with the Southern Graphics Conference. And they actually contacted me like about 2 years ago, and they wanted to see if I would come and accept a community engagement and printmaking award. And so I said yes, and that I would also do some work around town. And so they decided to sort of find a couple spots to make murals, and then also for me to just, of course, go around St. Louis. I live in New York most of the time now, and I would say that it's been like about over the last 10 years, I've done a large series of projects that, you know, go from sort of simple narrative printmaking projects that just exist outside, and so are sort of like reaching out to communities in that way, and then also sort of working on other kinds of like larger collaborative projects. 170? Yeah.